Okay, tell me about it.
So I made some slime yesterday. I have this one, and then I have another one from yesterday that I don't really know where it is, but it's a beaded slime. It's a red beaded slime.
Cool. What are the beads?
It's foam,
Foam?
like styrofoam. So it's kind of stretchy. Whenever you first play with it, it's not really stretchy, but after a little bit, it'll get more stretchy. And
California Dreaming with the Princess of Slime.
Whenever you try to make it more stretchy, you add in water, which I've done that. And I think I'm probably going to try that again.
Cool beans. Thank you for showing me your slime.
You're welcome.
Say bye.
Bye.